chance under the couch. Oh my goodness, I've been looking for this. Y'all, I've been looking for this shit the other day. I was trying to just wash the dishes and I just couldn't find it. The whole time it was in there. The first thing we do every morning, if we want to get it together, is bring some light into this house. Goodness, all these toys. Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Ayantu and today I am back with another video. It will be deep cleaning video. Of course, cleaning things that I have been avoiding for a very long time. I wanted to get into the New Year's with a clean home, so I went ahead and deep cleaned before the New Year's. I am uploading this video a little late because I have been just so busy, but I just wanted to go ahead and still upload this, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I went ahead and the main thing that I actually really wanted to clean was the carpet. This carpet's been dirty for a minute, you guys, and I bought this carpet washer from Target that has been just sitting in my house for a minute. So that's the first thing that I started with. I went ahead and vacuumed the floor, vacuumed the carpet really good, and went ahead and washed the carpet, which, oh my god, I'm so glad I did that. So now we're just gonna go ahead and wash the carpet. I got this thing ready. We as you can see how dirty it is in there. Ali tried to wash the rug last time and he never literally finished it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish it today. I don't know if y'all can tell, but this rug is really dirty. So dirty, so bad. And I burnt my rug not too long ago, but we're gonna go ahead and clean it. As y'all can see, there's stains literally all over the rug. So this is the before. Here I am scrubbing the hard stain before I go ahead and use the carpet washer. I had to wash this carpet so many times, I think about 3 rounds. And also I just recently bought the washing machine like I have mentioned, so I didn't really know how to work it. But it was just, the carpet was just so dirty. Look at that. It was so dirty. So I went over it so many times until it was clean. And I am done. Now here's the after. It's so clean. I can't believe it took me this long to wash this carpet, but it is so clean now and it smells so good. Also, I didn't really think it was gonna dry this fast. It literally, I washed the carpet around 11 a.m. and it dried up by like I would say 6-7 p.m. It was fast, and I just didn't think it was gonna dry that fast. But now I have a clean carpet. Next we're gonna move to the windows. Okay, I took the windows out, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it. And also the window is looking dirty, like right here. Peep this. It's so disgusting. Why did you do that? So I need to go ahead and clean this up right now. Side is so dirty, y'all. So dirty. Yeah, and also, this is literally one of the places that I be avoiding to clean in the house. I just be ignoring it, and it gets a mess very, very quickly. But I went ahead and organized it. You guys will not be seeing the process, but you will see the result here soon. And there it is. It looks so much better. Okay, I put our coats up there, so hopefully it stays in there, not on my couch. And then the shoes Ali barely wears, and the ones we wear almost every day, except those heels. They need to go upstairs. So this door was literally so dirty, I had to clean it. I had to. I don't know if it is because, you know, this is the door we use to get in and out of the house. The only door, obviously. But I just went ahead and cleaned it, and it looks so good, y'all, right now. It just looks so clean, and I love it. So I don't know if you guys have checked out my other vlogs, but we have been sick for like about 2 weeks. So we brought the kids' mattress downstairs, and we just been sleeping on the mattress. But every time it got crowded, I will hop on the couch and lay on the couch, and that's why my couch is looking like that. Yeah, I need to stop laying on the couch. But we're gonna go ahead and fix that and straighten it up. I already fixed this couch right here. As you guys can see, it looks so much better. And we're gonna also go ahead and clean it. And voila, so much better, so much. I just need to go ahead and clean it and make sure we don't lay on. I'm doing the voiceover right now, and I'm literally laying on the couch. I need to stop doing that. But I mean, isn't that what it is for me to lay on it when I'm downstairs? But yeah, it looks so much better. So we're gonna just go ahead and clean it because it's very dirty. And yo, when you have kids, your walls get dirty so quick. Like, oh my god. But this mop would be coming through for me. I go ahead and use it to wipe the walls before I mop the floor. So after we wiped the walls, I went ahead and mopped the floor. It's a must to end the cleaning with a clean floor. I hate mopping the floor. I don't know why, but I really do hate mopping the floor. But I also hate seeing my kids with the dirty feet, because you know, if you have a dirty feet, that means your floor is dirty, and we can't have dirty floor. So 2023, the goal is to mop my floors as often. So we will see, though. Not we will see. It's gonna happen. Yeah, it will. But this was the last part of the cleaning for the living room. And then after that, your girl is going to have a clean living room. So yeah. And now my living room is so clean and it smells so good. And I'm so happy. But how long will it last? Anyways, that will be all for the living room. Tomorrow we're going to move to the kitchen. Stay tuned. If you have came this far, thank you so much. I hope you also subscribed and joined my little family. Yep. But no, thank you so much for even coming this far. I truly do appreciate you. Now we're just going to go ahead and move to the kitchen. I don't have lots of spoons and forks because I don't know where they went. I really don't. So I need to go ahead and buy forks and spoons. But one of the main things in this kitchen that we have been avoiding is the oven. So we're going to go ahead and spray the oven and let it sit for about 30 minutes. And then while, we're waiting on that, we'll go ahead and clean the cabinets. I seriously haven't noticed how much my cabinets were getting dirty until I started deep cleaning. I wasn't even really thinking about cleaning the cabinets. I was just doing a regular cleaning, and then I noticed that they were getting a little darker, so I went ahead and cleaned it. And look at the difference, y'all. Look at the difference. It's so much brighter now, and I'm just so glad I did that. Here's another place that I have been avoiding for a very long time. I honestly hate when things are just sitting up there. I hate it. I hate it, okay? So I'm going to remove all that stuff from up there, and we're just going to go ahead and clean it. I went ahead and removed everything that was on top of there, and I wiped it just a little bit, okay? And then after that, there was dishes sitting in the sink, so I went ahead and just washed all the dishes. I usually just throw everything in the dishwasher, but I was just in the mood to clean, okay? I was just in the mood to make sure everything was put away and organized and cleaned, and I needed the sink because here I will be putting all those organizers, the containers to organize the fridge in the sink. Let it sit in there while I clean the fridge. And your girl was thirsty, okay? I am so glad I had water sitting in the fridge because that water tasted so good. Like, oh my goodness. Like, oh my goodness. That water was tasting right, okay? But let's get back to cleaning now. Well, damn, this Next, we'll be moving to the food pantry. I haven't touched this food pantry for a minute. Like I mentioned, this video will be about cleaning all the things that I have been avoiding, okay? You see the black banana? I can't even believe I'm showing you guys this, but it's reality. We need to get used to it. But here I am organizing the food pantry now, so I hope you guys enjoy this process. I am literally such an African mom, okay? Look at that. Fix that scarf, honey, and get to cleaning. I got the bati on. Purr, okay? Purr. I am a proud African mom, okay? And I'm definitely on my African mom era, and I'm loving it. And now we have a clean oven. I couldn't get all that stain off there. Maybe I could have, I don't know, but I was just really tired. Okay, I was so tired. So I'm just happy with this result. It looks so much better. So now we're gonna move into the next cleaning. And that will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have came this far, I truly do appreciate you because it is a long video. Okay, I think it is. No, I do have another long video that's about 30 minutes. That was a family vacation, but this one was a little different. So thank you for hanging around and watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Join my little family, okay? And this was a lots of cleaning. Your girl was tired, but I'm glad I did it because now I have a clean living room, a very clean kitchen, and a video to upload for you guys. So it was definitely worth it, okay? It was definitely worth it, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you guys again, and see you soon.